my country या our country ऐसे my country name is Pakistan. Pakistan came into being on 14 August 1947. It has five provinces: Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, Gilgit-Baltistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It is situated in continent Asia. Qaeda-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is founder. Its capital is Islamabad. Its national game is hockey. Allama Iqbal is our national poet. The national language of Pakistan is Urdu. Our people are strong and hard-working. Our national dress is shalwar kameez. Our national animal is markhor. Our national bird is tokor. Its flag color is green and white with a crescent moon and a star.